What if you could start making extra money by Monday morning? No degree, no experience, no special skills, just 5 simple ways to start earning this weekend. And I'm giving you all of them right now. Welcome to Money Made Simple. First up, freelance writing or proofreading. If you can write a clear sentence or spot a typo, you're qualified. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork let you create a profile in minutes and start bidding on small jobs today. No experience needed, just a willingness to learn as you go. Second, virtual assistant work. Businesses everywhere need help with emails, scheduling, and admin tasks, and they're happy to pay someone to handle it remotely. You don't need a fancy resume, you just need to be organized and reliable. Third, sell things you already own. Old clothes, electronics, furniture, it's probably just sitting there, listed on Poshmark, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. This is the fastest way to make money this weekend because you're not even creating a service, you're just clearing out your closet. Fourth, tutoring or teaching English online. If you're good at a subject or simply a native English speaker, there are platforms ready to connect you with students who will pay for your time. Fifth, pet sitting or dog walking. Apps like Rover and Wag connect you with pet owners nearby. If you like animals, this might be the easiest money you ever make. Before you go try all 5, don't. Start small. Don't quit your day job, and pick just one hustle to focus on first. Trying to do everything at once is how people burn out and quit by Wednesday. Your challenge? Pick one side hustle from this list and start this weekend. Just one. Just the first step. Subscribe to Money Made Simple for more beginner-friendly money tips.